Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv.
All aboard!
Today, Apple reported earnings. Earnings in Apple for us, it was not important. I said here, I believe, more or less 2 weeks ago, that I was not going to have a long position. Price target 143. After the company reported earnings, you have here shares at $144.50. Therefore, in my opinion, as I said, it was a waste of time and money to remain invested in Apple. Because I said 2 weeks ago that we had other by far better opportunities comparing to Apple, and that was the case. Complementary earnings call ahead of Amazon earnings, new all-time highs to $963, so complementary, I repeat, and you are looking at some of the best selling short opportunities ever in the markets, precisely also addressed here. Or in my case, I sold Apple to sell short some of these stocks that today you have here crashing, melting. The case of US Steel, downgraded to strong sell at a price of $41.69. We had a former strong buy. So you have here $21.94, and this against the opinion of every single stock analyst. JP Morgan upgraded to $46, Core Research to $60. You have US Steel at $21.94. Also complementary ahead of earnings article downgrading US Steel to strong sell, naming corruption. Corruption implies automatically a crash, and you have seen shares melting down. And also important to mention the epic crash in shares of Twilio, which I already addressed today, but also ahead of earnings to subscribers to my course Live Technical Analysis. I downgraded this stock to strong sell at a price of $70.69, precisely the very top so far in Twilio, referring to it as a bubble. And I've been discussing Twilio, how to invest in Twilio, in fact how to make millions of dollars in Twilio without any risk whatsoever since the IPO, the very first day, as I've been doing with almost every single company that you have here. With regards to advanced micro devices, the stock is down 40%, so again, other reason that I had to sell Apple, precisely to invest in the crash of advanced micro devices, and many others, my friends, that they are coming, terrific opportunities, but also in stocks that you, obviously I cannot disclose here, but you as a subscriber know very well what I'm referring to or talking about. You just have to log into your account. For example, in Bull and Bear, today one of the bull stock picks that you have had there, new 52-week highs, new all-time highs, and my friends, no risk whatsoever. So congratulations to everyone. And well, obviously everything here has been planned in advance and autonomous driving. And by the way, for example, other new 52-week high as of today, the case of Humana trading above $226, other complementary live market call, terrific investment opportunity discussed here for years at stockmarketlive.tv. So everything under control, my friends, and including the case of Apple, which it was a waste of time, quite frankly, but ahead of earnings, after earnings report, you didn't have any risk whatsoever if you wanted to remain invested in Apple, despite the fact that the company didn't announce anything particular, positive or negative, nothing, all right? And by the way, don't forget or remind always, which is important, because for others it is not, for niggers, they don't care because they have not ever been involved. Also, my call ahead of earnings in the case of Netflix, by far more important than Apple, with new all-time highs when everyone else on CNBC, the scammers, the American niggers, they were saying that shares they were going to crash once again. They've been saying the same for years, okay? So strong buy in Netflix since $5.85, more than 6,000 return on investment. And if you want to know more about the concept, very important concept of niggers, you have it discussed, since I'm not referring to colored people, you have it discussed on complementary, the most important lessons in history of the markets, also available on the website of the company, on YouTube, on Vimeo, and so on. We also I addressed the case of Tesla, in the past few months, and this week we are going to have also Facebook. Okay, thank you and congratulations. I leave you here live on the tape with our accomplishments. Thank you. Bye.